Hey everyone, Josh here. We are inside a brand new 2020 Lincoln Aviator Reserve. Has the CoPilot 360 Plus package, and with that is the Active Park Assist that Ford offers. In today's video, we're going to do a quick demonstration of the perpendicular parking assist in this vehicle. Alright, so first things first, we're going to locate the parking button on the center console here, which is the P in between a parking space, essentially, right next to your camera button and your vehicle settings button here. So when we press P, you can navigate to parking, or you can activate the Active Park Assist. And then it gives us some selections here. You can do parallel, perpendicular, or you can actually pull out. So we're going to select perpendicular, and then we're just going to follow the signals that the touchscreen just shows us. Alright, and it's as easy as that. One thing I like about Ford's CoPilot 360 Plus and its Active Park Assist is that you don't have to switch gears or operate the accelerator or the brake pedal. All you do is you keep your hand on that park button and the system does the rest. There are some systems that require you to have control over the accelerator and the brake, as well as changing gears, but this is pretty much hands off except for the initial shift to neutral to confirm that's what you want to do, is to park the vehicle. So yeah, Ford's CoPilot 360 Plus Active Park Assist is actually a really good system. Alright, and as you can see, it's pretty well parked in between the lines. Just uses the sensors and the cameras to measure and accurately place the vehicle in the spot. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews. Of course, as always, thanks for watching.